When God speaks, solutions are provided. If God chooses to speak, it means creation is about to take place.
It is filled with the enigmatic, can only be deciphered by the divine.
I'm seeing your mouth covered and I'm seeing you wearing gloves.
Yes, I'm supposed to be a doctor now.
Where you're standing, it's like you're standing on top of a car. Do you sell cars?
I'm a car dealer, man of God!
Bringing about unequivocal change and explosive energy.
I'm seeing pain. We need to pray.
Papa, it's true, Papa.
The Lord is healing you from that, I think.
You never shared this with anybody. Now I'm telling you what you saw because I can see what you saw.
Supernatural, God-given clairvoyance, prophecy.
And the Lord said to me, ask him who is Langton.
Anton, that's my...
And you are saying he's your brother.
Yes, man of God.
And in South Africa.
Yes, this is South Africa.
Each dispensation is graced with only a handful bearing this prominence, known as prophets.
God is a good God. God is a good God. He's a good God. And he remains a faithful God, and he's a good God.
Watch The Voice of God with Emmanuel Makandiwa every Saturday at 8 p.m. Central African Time, only on Christ TV.